face like a fall. Oh baby, I just wanna hold your dog. The moonlight glow, paws moving slow, get you strolling like a secret shadow show. I'll be racing feet, pounding the bar. Come on darling, let me hold your dog. I wanna hold your dog, yeah I do. Wanna feel it walk right through. I wanna hold your dog, can't you see that four-legged joy sets me free? Your smile's as bright as summer sky, but it's that dog that caught my eye. For a friend all wrapped in love is like touching heaven from above. Through the bark and howl the night ain't long, your dog sings the sweetest song. In the chaos, the drifting small, all I crave is holding your dog. I wanna hold your dog, yeah I do. Wanna feel it walk right through. I wanna hold your dog, can't you see that four-legged joy sets me free? I wanna hold your dog, yeah I do. Wanna feel it warmth right through. I wanna hold your dog, can't you see? The four-legged joy